Let's start with those queries then. We have the first query that is coming in from Miriyala, who's writing to us from Vijayawada. He's holding 150 shares of Torrent Power. This is at a price of 1,414 rupees, and 42 shares of Hindustan Aeronautics, and this is at a price of 4,589 rupees. So they're making a loss on Hindustan Aeronautics as well right now. He wants to know, can he hold both these stocks for one more year, or should he just sell both of them? Ashish, good afternoon. Around the technicals, both these stocks, what's your view coming for Torrent as well as HL?
Good afternoon, Vinny, to Gaurangji and to every viewer as well. As far as Torrent Power is concerned, we can clearly see the stock has come to the prior support level. The prior price action support level was around 1270. Stock made a low today near around that level and showing some kind of a positive attempt. So my recommendation would be to hold on to the stock here. Maintain a stop loss of around 1270 on the downside for near term. From a medium to long term perspective, hold on to the stock here. We can expect it to again move back towards the upper end of the swing, which is near 1400, 1420 levels. So hold is the recommendation on Torrent Power. And on the HAL, we can clearly see that HAL showed a very, very smart move from March 2025 from 3000 levels to 5000. And it's correcting a portion of that move, which is a very healthy sign. And it has a prior support, which is around 4350. So there is a possibility we can again start seeing an upward journey in HAL also. Stock can move towards the level of around 4940 on the upside. And one can maintain a stop loss of around 4350 levels.
The next query for today, we have Ravi, who's writing to us from Hyderabad. He's holding 30 shares of KPIT Tech, and this is at a price of 687 rupees per share. Now, he wants to know if he should continue to hold the stock or exit at the current levels. What should the viewer do now? Should they continue to hold this for the long term, or maybe there'll be some better levels to enter at?
If you look at KPIT Tech, or if you rather look at any other stock for that matter, TCS or Wipro or any other stocks, they have been performing very much in similar lines because we saw some kind of a positive traction from April to until June onwards. And since then, we have again started seeing kind of a downtick in these kind of stocks. So my suggestion as of now would be to continue to hold. The entire IT cycle can possibly start turning back on the upside. When that happens, the IT space will outperform. So KPIT Tech, maintain a stop loss of around 1170 on the downside. We can possibly start seeing it touching and crossing the levels of 1300 and moving towards 1400 levels on the upside.
Okay, keeping an eye on that. The next query for today coming from Ram Kumar, who's writing to us from New Delhi. 35 shares of Pidilite is what he's holding, while price is 1,760 rupees, making a profit on this one. He wants to know if he should add more stocks, so look to average or add more in his position or exit the stock. Ashish, a quick word on Pidilite for you?
Yes, continue to hold. The stock is already up by more than 3% in today's session. I think the stop loss can be 2840 for the existing levels. And 3100 can be the target, which is the previous swing high.
Okay, keeping an eye on those levels over there. But that was the last query for today. So Gaurang as well as Ashish, thank you so much as always for giving us those insights and solving all our viewer-related queries on the show.